Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Mabruk bin Muhammad Al-Sari from Salala Barkas, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. For many days I watched and saw post in the Twitter from the Gulf country UAE, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, that the VIP peoples, media peoples and royal families continue posting in the favor of Indian Muslim. So I have to tell you, please stop this drama. First take care of your neighbor countries, Palestine, Iraq, Yemen. Don't think about Indian Muslim. We are, alhamdulillah, we are very good. This is our internal matter. So please don't include. You cannot do anything. This is our internal matter. Okay, from 70 years we are suffering and we are facing, and we are, alhamdulillah, still alive. We survive without your support, without your post. So let me tell you first about the your contribution and donation. Your contribution will go to the BJP first. Your contribution go to the RSS. Your contribution and your jobs go to the RSS in your Gulf country. More than 80 lakh, I think 20 or 30 lakhs RSS people are doing the jobs in the Gulf country. Where your support to Indian Muslim? When your support to Indian Muslim, tell me. You send many kits, rations, medical support, everything to the government only, to RSS only, not to Indian Muslim. In India, there is only one place, a small place, Salala Barkas, a mini Arab, mini Yemeni people. You know? You don't know. Anytime you visit? No, I think so. Not a single time. When you have done help to us, you not give to us jobs. You don't respect us. You treat us like a labor in your own country, and you are telling in front of the world, we are caring Indian Muslim, we are helping the Indian Muslim. Sorry, you are not helping Indian Muslim, you are making problem for Indian Muslim. So please stop this drama. If you want to know about India, Indian Muslim, please come to Salala Barkas. Visit to Salala Barkas. This is the Arab people here, Salala Barkas. First sit with them, discuss with them what's going on. Whatever you are getting the post on media, you are taking and you are putting account, Twitter account, and showing the world we are caring. So you don't care, you are destroying us. 70 years we are survive here. Arabs are survive here. You don't know. This is our internal matter. Please don't interfere. If you want good relation with this Indian Muslim, please visit Salala Barkas. Visit to me. I will show you everything physically, not media. Physically, I will show you what's going on, what's not going on, where is your fund going, where you going to, how you are helping to others against the Indian Muslim. Everything I will show you. Come here. Don't talk on Twitter. Don't talk on social media. This is your own propaganda. Okay? Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.